Hi YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. So this is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to her channel in my video description box, and I'll be making a creation every day in my little journal here from the prompts that Meg has provided. Welcome to day 23, which is newspaper. And look how fat my book is getting. I stamped a whole heap of images onto newspaper, and then I meant to paint this piece with gesso, but I actually painted the back of this piece instead. So I painted the wrong piece. So I need to put some more stamping on this. One thing is I know which stamps I want to use now, which I don't after the way some of them turned out. So I'm just going to quickly redo some, and I've got a couple more that I want to use. Isn't it wonderful to see Joey back? I couldn't believe it when a video of hers popped up in my feed yesterday. It was just, this is great. Great news. So good to see her back. And I hope everything goes well for her throughout the year. Can't wait to see more of her videos. But yeah, that was super exciting to see her yesterday. I saw it yesterday. I think she did her video the day before. But yeah, that was wonderful. Going to stamp some birds. I've got some rabbits, so I want to stamp a couple of the rabbits. So I'm just going to fill this up with some stamps, various ones. I'd love to hear from you if you enjoy my videos, even if it's just a thumbs up or a heart, a smiley face in the comment section. Anything is greatly appreciated. Okay, I think I got enough to work with. I did a couple of red ones as well. If I have to, I can go to the back, or I can stamp some more. So I'm just going to put that aside, bring the book back in. And now, I should have done this before, but I'd only just thought of it. Put that aside to dry. Bring in some of these, and I'm going to cut out some of these images. I've cut some of the images out and glued them onto coffee dyed paper, and now I'm just outlining some of them. So I didn't want to have my images square on those pieces of paper. I wanted them offset like they are. I covered a piece of cardboard from a food box with that piece of crossword, and I'm just going to glue on that little bird onto there, and then I'll stick a piece of the coffee dyed paper onto the back as well, so that will be a journaling card. I'm now going to glue a couple of the pieces down, so I'm going to use the words to create I don't know, like a headline on the page, I guess you'd call it. And then I'm going to draw some lines roughly on the page, just hand-drawn, not with a ruler. And that'll be my journaling spot on the page. And I'm just using that same liner pen to outline the elements on the page and do a little bit of doodling just to create a little bit of interest without having to glue anything extra on or to add any colour that I didn't want to put on the page. I just want it to stay like a newspaper, in that it be just basically black and white. Then I thought, well, I can add a few more lines in here, and one of them went particularly crooked, so I thought I'll write up the top there that the lines don't have to be straight. You can still write on them, even if they're crooked. So I go around with my art glitter glue, and I'm just reattaching a few pieces that haven't stuck down properly. A little bit more doodling. Nothing's particularly special, and outline the rabbit and the bird just to make them stand out a little bit more. I get a white Stabillo Woody crayon and just put a little hint of some white around some of the edges. I didn't do the whole lot. And that's finished. So I'll use a bulldog clip and attach that to the bottom of the page in a moment. But it's all, yeah, really simple, really easy, beginner friendly. You don't need any skill to do this. And using the newspaper. So be prepared for dirty fingers when you're using the newspaper. I'm just working out where I want to put the card and decide to pop it down the bottom. Covers up the head of that other bird, but it doesn't matter. Lift it off and you can see it. And there's my page finished for day 23 newspaper. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you again for line on the 24th. Thanks for watching. Hooroo!